Welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel Perfect Mobile Solution. Friends, I have this Realme device, and what is the problem in this device? First of all, I will share with you the problem of this device. After that, what is the solution to this problem? I will tell you step by step. I will request that. Please watch the video in full without skipping. Then you will also understand its problem, and what is the solution to this problem will also be understood to you in a much better way. Hello friends, I am Saurabh and you are looking for Perfect Mobile Solution. Here guys, if I come into the settings, after coming into the settings, if here I will come down and in this device if I pattern or I will set the password, then you will see the pattern will not be set. Okay, see this set screen lock, I did it from here. I do the pattern. Okay, it takes 5 seconds here, and in this device if I set the pattern, then the pattern will not be set here. I will show you. See this, I drew here, I drew the same pattern again. See, this screen lock was already changed. Okay, back. Let's go again. We click on the set screen block from here. I will set the numeric number here and show it. Okay, typing has started here. Let's next. Anyone, let's put the number here 252525. Okay? 252525. Okay? See, the screen already changed. This problem needs to be addressed. If you open the Play Store, I will show you this. From here, I have opened the Play Store. Okay, from here, I sign in. Then the option to create an account will not come here. See here, the option of email or phone has come. See here. Forget email and see here. Anywhere you can see the option of create account is not coming here. Okay, and here now I go back. Right here, I come to the settings of the device. Back comes after coming to the setting. Let's see the software version. Click on about device below to see this. You can see the model number of Realme's device is 14 Pro Plus 5G. And here if we talk about its Android version, friends, here I click on the version and see its Android version here. Friends, you can see the device is up to date from our absolutely latest Android 15. Okay, now what is the problem in this? Friends, the problem is that the device is our FRP lock. This device was FRP bypassed. But after bypassing, friends, if you create any Gmail account in this device, then Gmail account will not be created. Or if you set any pattern, PIN or password here, then this device will not have a pattern, PIN or password set. I've already shown you this. Okay, so now what is the solution to this problem? Whether you have an Oppo device, a Realme device, you are having to face this problem in all these devices whose security is up to date with Android 15. If you pass FRP bypass in all those devices, then you will have to face this problem. Okay, you can see that the screen lock has already been changed. Okay, whether it is your past Realme, Oppo or OnePlus from Android 15. If your device is up to date, friends, then you cannot bypass its FRP. If the FRP bypass you have done, everything will work, but the Play Store will not work. The screen will not lock straight. When this condition comes, then a lot of your comments are coming for it. And what is the solution? I will tell you in this video. Please don't skip the video. First of all, friends, what do you have to do? Here I will click on emergency call. Here you have to dial the code *899# OK. Now here you will see the software version. You will click on it. Then here you will see the software information of your device. All this software information will come in front of you. Okay, see here the Android version of the device. The model number is visible here, and this Android version device is up to date from our Android 15. Okay then. So now friends, the software information of this device is in front of us. So what will we do? Friends will flash this device by downloading the flash file of the same version. Okay, what is the flash processor? Oppo, Realme or Oppo Plus? In this video, I will tell you how to flash these devices, and at the same time, what is its solution? Which is not setting pattern, PIN or password lock, then what is its solution? I will tell you in this video. Please don't skip the video. Hello friends, I am Saurabh and you are looking for the perfect mobile solution. Now friends, we will navigate to the laptop screen and demonstrate how to flash the device of OnePlus, Realme or Oppo. Now here friends, I will watch the video on my laptop screen, and from here very carefully, please do not skip the video. You guys here pay attention to two things. First of all, you will need the USB driver, such as whatever chipset of your mobile, according to the USB driver you have installed. Okay, now the most important thing after that is the flash file. So the flash file I have already downloaded and kept it in a separate drive. Okay, pay attention. There is a different flash file for each model. Okay, whatever model you have, if you tell me, then whatever flash file will be according to it, I will provide you. Okay, then this is the flash file. First of all, I will destroy it on the desktop. Okay, then from here, I will right click on it on the desktop. I'll give you the location. I'll thoroughly explain, pay attention. Any chipset in the device, such as MediaTek or Qualcomm. Agreement. Install the USB driver.
Okay, so now look at this file I am extracting. It will take some time, so wait until it is extracted. Friends, it will take some time to structure the file, so I have fast forwarded the video so that the video is not too long. Okay, after the file is structured, now here we will download the service tool of Realme, which is the flash tool. Pay attention, friends, whatever model you have, be it Realme or Oppo
or Van
Plus, whatever it is, that's fine. Its charges,
they're always changing.
Continue to happen, well then you will have to pay the charge according to whatever charges will be and the models that will be. Okay, now here I will destroy the pay tool, and one thing note, antivirus, if you installed in PC, then please disable antivirus. Well, after the tool is open, now from here I disable the antivirus. What will I do now? Here I will log into this tool by entering the ID and password. Okay, then from here I enter the ID, password, and I log in the tool. Okay, now friends, you have to import Brandy and the flash file from here. Whatever Brandy you have, whatever model it is, the accordion will select the model from here and import file. This means that the flash file is given at the location. It is kept from there. We will add the file here. Okay, it takes some time to add the file. I will fast forward the video a little so that the video is not too long. Okay, you have any model. If you are facing the problem that I told about Realme Oppo One Plus, then you can contact me according to it and see this file is being added.
So now friends have to connect the device to the PC. Once I show you, you can see Realme 14 Pro plus 5G, and here is the version if I show you. So the version you can see is Android 15, okay? So now what will we do simply? Will you switch off your mobile phone first? Press the volume up and power button to turn off the phone. The way to connect is very simple. Volume up and down are two buttons. You have to press and hold both buttons and install the cable. The driver must be installed on your laptop.
Alright.
Okay, I pressed both the volume up and down buttons and see I inserted the cable. Okay, as soon as I insert the cable, our device will be connected to the PC and here the processor will be restarted.
Alright.
You can see friends, the processor has been started and I will leave these two buttons and I will keep the mobile simple here. Well, one thing you have to pay attention to as long as the flashing processor happens, your device should not be disconnected from the cable. Well, if disconnected, your set will be dead, okay? So pay attention if you have an Oppo device, or a Realme device, the processor is exactly the same. If your device is running Android 15.
From up to
the date is FRP is locked in your device and you are thinking that FRP is bypassed twice, but in that condition, the pattern will not be set in your device. Screen lock already changed. Such a message will come, okay? If you create a Gmail account, then it will not be created there. You have to face all these problems. If your device is up to date with Android 15, then this is the complete processor. If you have any device from Oppo, OnePlus, or Realme, or any device from any brandy, that's fine. So if you want me to unlock your device, you can contact me. My contact details are available in the description box. Processor, what is the processor you saw here? So right now, we let this flashing happen here.
Till I get up, I miss spelling on a side. I don't want to waste with last, which is leading us in love is all we have and trust. No one's way leads with losses. Adhere to the path, clearly proceed.
So here you can see 19. As far as the van is concerned, the flushing has been completed, okay? You just have to stay that way. As soon as it is 100% complete, your device will automatically restart. You don't have to do anything, okay? After that, I will show you the complete setup. The screen lock that was not being set after flashing will also be set, okay? And the Gmail account that was not being created, that will also be created easily, okay? Then check here 100%. Flashing is done and your device will be on in a few seconds. See, this device is on and now.
Guys, do you have to wait until the device is fully turned on? Then pay attention, friends, in the latest security if your device is Oppo or Realme, if your device is software.
From Android 15.
If it is up to date, then after bypassing FRP in the latest security, you will see that your device will not have a pattern, PIN, or password set. Or if you try to create a Gmail account, then all these things will not happen. And
what is the resolution?
I told you in the video.
Now see, here our device is on. and I will show you the complete setup. Okay, now we will see, friends, when I will show you the complete setup, and after that, the pattern, pin or password problem you have to face. That problem you will not have to face. You will also be able to set a pattern, pin or password. Okay, look, all that matters is just and just. Okay, I'll skip it from here. Security is a matter now here, I will show you. See, this pattern pin password option has come. If now you want, then you can set very similar pattern pin or password from here, okay? Or you can also set it by going to settings. But I'm going to show you that right here. I type this 111. You will see, friends, the screen lock has already been changed. That message will not come. See, this pattern has been set. Let's next from here. I will lock the device and unlock it once and show it to you. See, this pattern has been set, okay? Now, if you complete setup from here, then this is the processor, friends. I hope that this video will definitely be helpful for you to flash the device of Realme, Oppo, or OnePlus. If you like the video, please share it, like, support, and subscribe to the channel. Continuous notification of such wonderful, interesting videos now once again.
Friends, go to the settings and confirm all the details of this device once again. I close it. Here I have opened the settings in About Device. I will click here. You can see Realme 14 Pro.
Try.
And you will see the software of the device.
Friends, our device is
Absolutely latest.
Is Android 15 up to date?
How did you like the video? Be sure to comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.